You don't know if you leave home today, whether or not you'll come back or you'll come back in a coffin, like what happened to Spamandla a few days ago.
Lawa amazwi kaNdumiso Ngidi oyisihlobo sika Spamandla Khoza owabulawa ngesihluku ngenxa yobulili bakhe. uNgidi ukholwa ukuthi uKhoza wahlaselwa abesilisa akhula nabo endaweni. Omunye wabo usezinikele emaphoyiseni kepha uNgidi ukholwa ukuthi wayengeyedwa ngosuku lwesigameko. Isidumbu sikaKhoza satholakala sinamanxeba okugwazwa esitamkokweni kude buduze nakubo. uNgidi uthi ziyadlanga izigameko zokuhlaselwa kwalabo abayidlanzana abaphila ngendlela eyehlukile kulendawo.
There's a lot of people like my cousin and many queer people in the townships in the rural areas who don't have the sort of privilege that I have to afford myself certain levels of safety and access to certain spaces that are much more tolerant, much more safer.
Lukhulu okusamele lwenziwe ukuqeda lezi zigameko ezifuqwa inzondo.
The president hasn't said anything. So that is telling. So I think homosexual lives are not that important in society. I think my conviction is that I will live my life the way I see fit.
Emlaza eThekwini usazijele usedlwengulwe kuphindelelwa ngenxa yokuthi uziguqule ubulili. Nakuba anikela emaphoyiseni ukuyobika kepha enqaba ukuvula icala.
Question was, are you a boy or a girl? And I refused to answer that. I wanted the services. They ended up not helping me without answering that question. So I had to leave and it never got any follow-up.
Lezi gameko zumbhedukazwe okufanele kubhekwane nawo.
We are saying it is time that perhaps issues of LGBTIQ importance are discussed by people that are members of the society, because the people that are discussing these issues about us don't even understand what it means to be gay.